So, got a little treat today. We were up camping and got a phone call. Got some recoveries. It's recovery time. It was raining hard all night and it was raining hard all morning, and it just turned to snow. I got me and Lulu. Miss Adelaide is coming with me, and Mom and Dad are behind us. We're gonna go rescue some hunters. I think there's 3 so far lined up for today, so don't get a day of relaxing in the mountains and camping, but I do get a fun day full of adventure and recoveries. So come join us. It's gonna be fun. All right, well, we picked up the customer. We met him at Mi Ranchitos or Roberto's or some Beto's thing in Springville. And yeah, now we cruised up the mountain. So this is the exact same spot we did that other F-150. So on the way up there, I am going to just take the path that we took the diesel up, and yeah, will get me up around the top, and Mom and Dad will grab it from the bottom. You guys haven't seen them yet, but they're here. Hola, arrivederci.
Arrivederci is goodbye.
It's both.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Arrivederci?
Yeah.
That's aloha.
Goodbye.
It's like, yeah, it's like aloha. Same
no,
thing.
it's not.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Konnichiwa.
Ciao.
Sayonara.
Ciao is hello and goodbye.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start up, so.
It's gonna be a lot harder than the big stuff. Is he locked in? He's spinning.
A little harder when it's wet.
Wasn't easy when it was dry.
Made a little further.
So, the dilemma we have now is we don't want to tear this up so bad that people think that it's a road and they start trying to drive up it. They're going to go up a little bit and get ready to winch. If I don't make it this trip, we're going to winch up so we're not tearing this whole thing up so bad that people think it's a road. You still in the front, Dad?
What?
Where you at?
Right front.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Good shot.
Right to him.
Did it go to him?
Yeah, right to him. He just reached out and grabbed it.
I just threw it to the sound of his voice.
Good job.
You got something to go around the tree? That's not big enough to go around the tree.
Just wrap it up back to itself.
Okay.
We're not pulling hard.
Oh, he's way off the road. Yeah, he really slid. Inching up. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
There's nothing on the front of these. I love these trucks, but there is nothing to hook to.
It's sitting right on the spare tire. Look under the car with the camera.
Oh, it is. Wow. Right on it. Oh, wow. Look over here. Pretty cool. Very, very wet today, as you can see. My sleeves are all wet. Everything's all wet. There's like a little stream because it's so wet. There's like tons and but it's a beautiful day and I'm glad to be here.
All right, Adelaide.
Yo.
Go ahead and go anchor your foot on my brakes.
Okay.
Comfortable driving back through it, or do you want us to drive it through for you?
Do you care if I take another shot at it?
No?
It's pretty solid now, so I didn't feel any give when I came through.
I can guide you. So.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'll just hug this side too.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and mosey our way on out. Yeah, I'll go ahead and stand here while you get through that part.
Okay.
So I can holler at you if I need you to move something.
If we go over the edge, don't follow us.
Driver tire right in that puddle, that stream. Seem pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, he made it through.
Let's go.
So let's go jump in the truck, Adelaide.
Okay, got that.
Well, now that my pants are soaked all the way through, I don't mind the roof leaking as much as I did on the drive here.
Yeah, same. But mine's not that soaked.
Mine are soaked
Yeah.
all the way.
So that's because you're clumsy and you probably tripped.
No, it's because I had to climb down and hook everything up.
Fair point.
See how ugly that path is? Yeah, it's pretty ugly.
If you see the trail we just made, please don't go on it. It's not a real trail.
Yeah,
It's bad.
it's not a trail we just made. It
Yeah.
was a necessity for a recovery. And we are actually licensed and insured professionals with permission from the Forest Service. So please respect trails, please respect pathways that are already existing, and don't ruin vegetation, because that's how trails get shut down. So
And we love our trails, so
we love our trails, and you guys do too.
yes,
Or else you wouldn't be watching our channel, right?
right.
So just be respectful and be awesome like you guys normally are. The off-road community is the best community of any group of people, group of strangers I've ever seen. It's absolutely amazing. I love the off-road community. We were down at Matt's off-road games the last 3 years in a row, and you know what's awesome? We had between 7,000 and 10,000 people in one place. And when we went to do a cleanup when it was all done, there was almost nothing for us to clean up because you guys are awesome. So just keep being awesome and be respectful. And whenever you see someone else tearing stuff up, just politely remind them, hey, we don't like that. That's how trails get shut down. Please respect.